Thank you so much for that. But let's move on. And Manisha Gupta is joining in with us to give us the update in the world of commodities this morning. Good morning, Manisha.
It's actually started with a day of gains for many of these commodities. I'll start with the crude oil prices, which are trading at a 4-week highs, and this is on the back of U.S. Threatening to put 25% on all imports from Venezuela in sense of crude oil. Apart from that, it also is about U.S. sanctions on Iran oils. Markets also are reacting to the U.S. inventories declining by more than what they were anticipating at 3.3 million barrels. So all of these factors clearly have been supportive. The support also continues for copper prices, especially for COMEX, where we are yet again trading at an all-time highs. And with the kind of overnight gains that we have seen, COMEX copper is up by 32% for this year right now. But the markets are putting in a word of caution because we've seen the prices gain up too much, too soon, a lot of sentiment there. And even if we are looking at reciprocal tariffs coming in slightly lower than what the street is heated about, you could be looking at some profit taking onto this one. But the markets tell you that it is buy on dips for many of these metals, looking at the supply disruptions and the demand expectations going forward. A quick word on gold prices, and there also have been some gains here. Well, it is all about the tariff concerns, the slowdown potential concerns, which is supporting the gold prices, with most banks and brokerages now telling you that you're perhaps looking at prices much higher from where they are right now, with the forecast coming in anywhere between $3,100 to $3,300 per ounce for this year itself. By the way, the markets will now watch out for the U.S. Fed official speeches, and there are 4 of them slated before this weekend.
Thank you so much for that, Manisha. But with that, we're absolutely out of time on this edition of Power Breakfast on CNBC TV 18. Thank you so much for tuning in. Up next, your Bazaar Morning Call.